Hi guys, welcome to this session of Introduction to Spreadsheet Software. Examples: Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, LibreOffice Calc. A spreadsheet software is a computer program used primarily for storing, organizing, and manipulating data in a tabular format. A spreadsheet consists of rows and columns where users can input numbers, text, or formulas. Spreadsheets are commonly used for tasks such as budgeting, financial analysis, data analysis, and creating charts or graphs. Popular spreadsheet software includes Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple Numbers. A formula is an expression that performs calculations, manipulates data, or returns information based on the values in specified cells or ranges. Formulas typically start with an equal sign, equal symbol. It contains a combination of mathematical operators, such as plus, dash, asterisk, caret, cell references, e.g., A1, B2. Here, A1 and B2 are cell addresses that refer to cell contents. Arithmetic operators. Let's explore the different arithmetic operators in Excel. The plus, for addition. The dash, minus, for subtraction. The asterisks, for multiplication. The slash, for division. The caret for exponent, raising to a power. Excel, the spreadsheet software from Microsoft. It is a part of Microsoft Office. A spreadsheet is a collection of rows and columns. A cell is where a row and column intersects. A cell can have a text, number, or a formula that determines the value of the cell. The formula bar shows the formula contained in a cell. Recall the arithmetic operators. Let's check how a formula can be used to perform basic arithmetic operations using arithmetic operators. A formula begins with the equal to symbol. Let's enter first number in cell B2 and second number in cell B3. Now write a formula to test arithmetic operators on these two numbers. The formula to add two numbers can be seen in the formula bar. The result of addition is in the cell where formula is entered. Similarly, other arithmetic operators will be tested, as can be seen. The formatting feature of Excel can be used to format cell and its contents. Thank you for watching the video. For details, please visit my blog as specified in the details section.